सब गुरुओं के लिए मैं प्रणाम करता हूँ, नमस्कार करता हूँ। और इतने अच्छे ढंग से आप सब लोग ब्लेसिंग्स दिया है साथ में काम करने के लिए, और प्रेयर के माध्यम से ही नहीं परंतु सर्विंग्स के द्वारा भी करना है। ये स्वामी विवेकानंद, सर्व मैन सर्व गॉड, स्वामी विवेकानंद had told, and we had to bring this dimension. And there are different dimensions to deal with this crisis. Number one, as our Prime Minister has given the Saptapadi, that the 7 mandates that all of us have to follow. But then the modern medical world has not really found out the remedy for this in form of vaccines or from the treatment modalities. So research is going on. In that juncture, Ayush has a great role to play. Particularly, yoga is accepted by everybody, and we have developed the different modules for the yoga. Yoga for people below 15 years, then 16 to 60 years, then above 60 years. This is for prevention. What is the rationale for doing this thing? We have to increase our immune system. Once we have very strong, powerful immune system, then no corona or no infection can touch us. And that's what we have to do. As rightly pointed out by various acharyas, once the mind becomes calm, quiet, free from anxiety, fear, and others, then there is going to be a blossoming of the immune system. Because all these fears and others will suppress the immune system, so it is going to develop. So that is the rationale. Then, while treating large number of cancer patients of extreme things, we have been able to develop simple modules to be done even while they are lying down on the bed. And that hundreds of people we have been able to deal with in our Arogyadam, other places. And that's what we have developed now for people who are in the ICU, who are in the hospitals, in very serious conditions. They can also practice yoga, very simple breathing practices and relaxation techniques, and the other dimensions, prayers, which could be very, very powerfully brought forth. And this all we have made, and Karnataka has come forward to start off the whole ball rolling. And once this comes up in a big way, we will be able to spread all over the country and all over the world. But already we have given these modules to everybody, and people can follow this, and people will get wonderful results. We have got very encouraging results from Italy, from the United Kingdom, and from Canada, and other places, and people can adopt this. And I request all the people to look into these things and make suitable modifications according to your need. There's no problem. And you can have the prayers added to that, your satsang to be added to it, and see that it will go. Swami Maherswaranji, Amrit Suryananji, and Muniji, and Hamsaji, all of you can use this and then develop your own dimensions to see that it spreads, and everybody should be able to practice this. As rightly said by all of you, it's a wonderful family get-together, staying together for the first time, probably in the history, and all of us have the great opportunity to practice yoga, as rightly pointed out by Hansaji and also Tiwariji. The world is looking for a direction from India, and our Prime Minister Modi is giving the direction. At the same time, all the Indian Yoga Association, GC members, and all the top gurus should come forward to see that we spread this thing to all our disciples, devotees, students all over the world, and crores of people should start doing that. If you do that, we build a positive consciousness field which can eradicate the mindset of the corona. And that is the whole purpose of this thing. I once again thank all the gurus and acharyas and the members of the governing council and the secretariat for making this such a nice, successful event. And I am sure today, with millions and crores of people practicing this, will see that this will bring a good change in the consciousness field. And I'm very thankful to Suresh Ji for Sudarshan TV for doing these things. And you have been doing a fantastic work. And you continue this and bring these modules regularly onto your channel. And also other channels also I would like to have this dimension brought so everybody can start using this. And just 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes of practice done several times a day can bring the results. And that's how we can save this country by using the yoga dimension. Once again, thank you all. धन्यवाद सब लोगों को. और एक बार मुझे बहुत प्रसन्नता है कि आप सब लोग इतना समय हमारे लिए दिया है इंडियन योगा एसोसिएशन को उठाने के लिए. सुदर्शन टीवी हमारे साथ जोड़ लिया है और उसके साथ साथ हम आगे बढ़ेंगे और भारत को ये कोरोना मुक्त भारत बनाएंगे और सब विश्व को एक नया दिशा दिखाने का प्रयास करेंगे स्पिरिचुअलिटी से। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।